Welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Ebony Shantae, and if you are viewing this, then you are now watching the video me and SIRVEN J did on this beautiful greenish bluish blue glitter cut crease. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy me. Please stalk me on all of my social media. Let's just get right into this bomb video. What's up, squad? So today's video is going to be a collab with my bae, SIRVEN J. I'm not even gonna talk too much. I'm gonna just show his little bad clip and let you guys figure out what to do after that. So we're just gonna switch it to that right there.
What is up, guys? It's your boy SIRVEN J here with a new video, and I'm going to be collaborating with the beautiful Ebony. So basically we're doing this look, and yeah, go check out my channel for my creation, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys subscribe as well. She's awesome.
Okay, giving you pretty much undone face. But today we are recreating a look. I will put a picture in the video of the look that we're creating. Let's just get into this eye look. Y'all been doing I hope everyone's been doing okay. I am recording this on a Saturday, so if you guys see it, it's been recorded on a Saturday. Because Sunday I'm not gonna be able to record because I'm going out to get my some more backdrops. So yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did to this eye, to the other eye. Taking my brush, my blending brush. We're just gonna make it look, you know, not so harsh. Now I had to use a white, let me show you guys, a white pencil, because without that white pencil, these colors would not have shown up on this eye, girl. It's so sad because I just need to find like a bomb concealer. The next color we're gonna jump into is a blue color. So that's what we doing. And I'm bringing it up some. Into the green. So you can still kind of see the green. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I cut my crease, and I'm taking this super strong hold. This is eyelash adhesive. That is exactly what I did. What the happened? It is the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. And I'm just taking the green color from there. And that's the color we're going to start with under my eye. Just gonna do that. Of course the foundation is kind of gonna, when I do it, it's gonna kind of cover up everything, which is fine. I could just go back in and add it. I love this palette so freaking much. I'm done doing the face. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys go follow SIRVEN on all his socials. Tell him Ishante sent you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell so you guys won't miss another video. I love you guys.